All right, so I'm here exactly 3 weeks after my hair transplant with Dr. Alexander. As you can see, a lot of the grafts have fallen out. Scabs are all gone now. No pain, anything like that, no bruising. Sometimes it does get a bit red, but apparently that's normal. And then, yes, other than that, yesterday was the first day that I went back to work. So I actually work from home 4 out of 5 days a week. But yesterday was the first day that I went back in. I did end up having 2 weeks off after surgery, just by coincidence. I didn't even book it off, so that worked out well. But yeah, yesterday I went in, and I do work in the healthcare field, so I wear scrubs when I work. So I did buy a scrub cap, which I don't usually wear, but because it is quite obvious that I had a hair transplant still, I thought this was a good way to like mask the head while I was working. It worked out really well. No one asked any questions. Understandable that not everyone works in the healthcare field or has a job where you can wear something on your head. But I mentioned in my previous posts that hair fibers are really good at masking those bald spots in your head. So that is an option for you. Other than that, everything's been going well. Back to regular social activities, back to normal life. I'm just kind of waiting for all the grafts to fall out, and in a few months, the hair should grow back. So I will keep you posted in a couple days with another video, but everything has been going great.